Hello and welcome to Cooking Like Antonio. Now what I have here is a very special treat. I have a bottle of our Nocino that has been aging about a year now. And so we're going to pop this open and see what happened after a year. Okay, so this bottle of Nocino has been sitting away for about a year now. And I don't know if I can open it.
Not with nails.
There we go. So go ahead and open this. Give it a smell. Oh, wow.
Smells like Nocino.
It does. Now, this has been good. I forget what our last video was, how long that had been.
It's just about a year.
No, since our last taste test. It's
Oh, so I don't think we ever did a taste test on camera. We tasted it at 6 months, around about Christmas time. And at that point, I thought that it was too sweet. I don't think it was. I was thinking about tweaking the recipe if we made it again. So Antonio said 6 weeks.
He said 6 weeks. We tried it then, and it was okay. It was drinkable, but it wasn't great. Not really. It was fine, but not like it was after a little while. So this has been sitting a year. So we're going to go ahead and give this a taste here and see what we think.
Smells really good.
Mm-hmm. That blows me away. This has aged so well. It's extremely smooth. I don't know the brand, but we bought Nocino out of the store, I think, a while ago. And this compares extremely favorably, if not better, to that.
Yeah, definitely the sweetness has gone away. It's not as sweet as it was before. The way it tastes now, I wouldn't change anything.
This is a very nice sipping drink. It's fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't say sit here and do shots with it all night, but to sip it and enjoy it, oh, wow.
Definitely something in small quantities. And I would say it's more of a winter drink.
It's more of a winter drink as we're drinking it in summer. I'm not complaining, by the way. but as we're drinking this now, say after a year, we have more too. So maybe we'll do a 2-year time. We'll see how we have quite a bit left. We made quite a bit the first time, but boy, it was worth it. This just is awesome. It's really, really good.
I cannot imagine it getting better. I mean, it's really good. For something homemade, simple. It's really good. It's really tasty. It's got a nice spice almost to it.
That, to me, is smoother than like a brandy or something like that. This is extremely smooth.
It has a bit of a bite from the alcohol.
Well, it's strong.
Yeah.
It was made with vodka. I mean, it's strong.
It's definitely for small quantities.
Yeah. You wouldn't want to drink gallons of this because you probably wouldn't be alive the next morning. But for sipping, it is really, really smooth. Boy, I would make this again, although we're not going to have to for a while.
So, what would you say? Would you try like maybe something different next time? I've seen some people use like coffee beans that they add and lemon peel.
Personally, for me, I would definitely do this recipe again.
Mm-hmm.
We ordered quite a large quantity of walnuts the last time, but I would stick to this recipe and maybe do a smaller batch of something else.
Yeah, just play with the flavors a bit.
Yeah, stick with what we know because I'm telling you, folks, if you take the time to make this and follow Antonio's recipe, it is fantastic. It really, really is. So I would do this again, just maybe for a little variety. I might try a couple smaller batches of something.
Yeah, just play with it a bit, see what you can come up with.
We would, and when we can, we probably will, but I don't want to lose this either.
No, not that this needs any improvement. This is great. And we can leave a link in the description of where we got our walnuts. It was in California. I forget the name now. I'll have to go look.
Yeah, we sure can. And, you can check out our video if you want to know how to make it.
Mm-hmm.
We have a video out on it.
2 other videos.
2 other videos. I think we have one of bottling, I think. Yeah. We're bottling it.
Mm-hmm.
And it wasn't ready to drink at that point. But, boy, I will tell you, after a year, it's only gotten better and better. We tried a little bit here and there, and it's always been good. After 6-week one was kind of... But after, it was okay. But after that, it just kept getting better and better and better. And now this finished product, out of this world, I would make this again.
Definitely try this.
100%. I say this is just awesome.
Here's to Antonio.
Mm-hmm. Wherever you are, buddy. Thank you.
See you next time.
Well, that really is good.